Motorola is launching an Android One device that is expected to be the successor of the Moto X4. It will be called the Moto One Power, and more specs of the device are leaked, revealing a Snapdragon 636 chipset coupled with 4GB of RAM. Welcome back to QatNip, and come on, let's learn together. The notched screen was confirmed to measure 6.2 inches diagonally with a Full HD Plus resolution. The dual camera setup on the back is listed as a 12 and 5 megapixel duo, with the 12 having an f/1.8 aperture lens and the 5 megapixel one having an f/2.0 aperture, while the selfie snapper has an 8 megapixel sensor and a very unimpressive f/2.2 aperture lens. The new specifications contradict with a previous leak that suggested a 16 megapixel snapper for the front with an f/1.9 aperture lens. They also mentioned 6GB of RAM as opposed to the 4GB, but that could just mean two variants of the phone as well. The rest of the leaks remain the same at 3780 mAh battery and Android 8.1 Oreo right out of the box. But if the phone is really an Android One device, it could be among the first phones with an update to Android P. So that's it for this video, and we hope you liked it. A million thanks to our dear subscriber family for your continuous love and support, and until next time, stay tuned for more.